5 Natural Hair Treatments You Can Make Right at Home Part 3. Lemon plus chamomile to warm up ashy blonde hair. Both lemon and chamomile tea have long been used as whitening agents for blonde hair. You can do a simple rinse by tilting your head back over the sink and pouring a cup of cooled tea combined with the juice of a lemon over clean, wet hair. Let this sit for a couple of minutes and then rinse. Dairy to moisturize dull hair. Dairy products like sour cream and plain yogurt can help to reverse damage from styling products and air pollution. Lactic acid gently strips away dirt while the milk fat moisturizes. Massage 1/2 cup sour cream or plain yogurt into damp hair and let sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water, followed by cool water, then shampoo hair as you normally would. Treatment can be applied every 2 weeks. Lemon and olive oil to relieve an itchy scalp. The acidity in lemon juice helps rid your scalp of any loose, dry flakes of skin, while the olive oil moisturizes the newly exposed skin on your head. Mix 2 tablespoons fresh lemon juice, 2 tablespoons olive oil, and 2 tablespoons water, then massage this mixture onto damp scalp. Let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse and shampoo hair. Treatment can be applied every 2 weeks. Apple cider vinegar to clarify and smooth hair cuticles. Combine a tablespoon of vinegar with a 1/2 cup of water, pour over damp hair. Add a couple of drops of essential oil simply for fragrance. Comb through hair, let it sit for 5 minutes and then rinse. The acidity in the vinegar helps seal the outermost layer of your hair, the cuticles, making it lie flat. Apple cider vinegar and argan oil. Repair dry and dull hair during the winter months with this treatment. The apple cider vinegar helps to remove product buildup that dulls hair, and the vitamin E in argan oil nourishes and softens unruly strands. In a blender, combine 1/2 avocado, 2 tablespoons argan oil, 10 drops of rosemary essential oil, and 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. Pulse together. Work this mixture through dry hair from roots to tips. Let it in for 15 minutes, then rinse and shampoo. Apply this treatment every 4 weeks.
If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.